Okay, so I've got my favorite pickup of this year to show you guys. Today's video, we've got a New Balance 9060. However, this is not a normal 9060. We have a collaboration, so we have the Bricks and Wood collaboration. This is actually their second time collaborating together. Back in 2021, we saw them drop a 5740 silhouette, which I have not seen before. And to be honest with you, I'm not really feeling it, but this time round, they have really come through and delivered. Now, we all know I love a good background story to a sneaker, and this is exactly what we have. This is a travel inspired shoe with a tribute to Bricks and Wood's LA home. It's crazy because the details in this shoe are all inspired by the Bricks and Wood founder's grandmother's home, and I can't lie, I'm so here for it. Taking a look into the details on the upper, we have a mix of materials. First of all, we have two types of suede. So we have a smooth suede, and then we also have this fuzzy suede, both in this cream colorway, which is absolutely stunning. For me, this suede is just giving off premium. We also have the gray mesh on the upper as well, and this is supposed to represent grandma's metal gate in the backyard. One absolutely amazing thing about this grey mesh, which you might not realise on first glance, is that it does actually have 3M. So it is really glowing and shining in the dark, and I feel like that's just an additional bonus feature. Moving towards the top of the shoe, you will notice that we have some fuzzy laces. For me, this has got to be one of my favourite parts about the shoe. I absolutely love these laces. So these laces are actually supposed to represent grandma's house, the blankets and rugs, you know, that comfort, that fuzzy feeling. However, if you're not a fan of that, they do also come with some standard cream laces and another pair of laces as well, so you're spoiled for choice really. And these have some kind of stripes, some grey stripes in them as well. For me, I feel like the fuzzy laces and the cream laces would absolutely bang. I'm not sure about the stripe laces, but I love that they give you different options so you can try them out. And you know, I always say giving a shoe different laces always gives off like a new kind of shoe, a different vibe. Swinging around to the back of the shoe, you will notice that there is this plastic transparent clip at the back, and as you can see the speckled design through it. Just above this heel clip, there is two suede flaps that you can actually lift up, and I didn't notice this until I had this shoe in hand and looking at it closely, but underneath it does say by Bricks and Wood in collaboration with New Balance. That again is a really cool feature. I like that it's kind of hidden, but is also there at the same time. Taking a look towards the bottom of the shoe, the midsole and the sole, you will notice that we have a mixture of cream, grey, and then we also have this green, which contrasts completely to the whole of the shoe, but I feel like it's very subtle contrast, and this is supposed to represent grandmother's lawn. The green doesn't stop there. Also in the insole, we have a green camo insole. Also, I have to show you guys the box that they come in. It is absolutely stunning. So of course on the top we have the model, and then as you see we have bricks and flowers on the sides as well. What a stunning box. These retailed at £170, $180. Sizing wise, for me, for New Balance, I always go up a 0.5 size. However, many people usually stay true to size, but for me, I just cannot imagine staying true to size. So my recommendation would be to go a 0.5 size up. For me, an ordinary 9060 is something that I really like, but maybe not absolutely love. However, when I saw this, the colorway, the materials, used everything, I felt like I just had to cop it because I am absolutely a huge fan of this, and I feel like it's taken the 9060 to the next level. This actual silhouette kind of reminds me a little bit of the Balenciaga Triple S because of the sole. As you can see, it kind of sticks out like the Triple S. I'm not really a fan of the Triple S, to be honest with you, but I like what they've done here. This is more of a kind of sporty trainer. One thing I must say, which can be taken in a bad light, I guess, is that this isn't the most comfortable New Balance silhouette that I have tried. The 2002R, for example, is so comfortable, so much more comfortable compared to this. However, if you're comparing this to other brands, then yeah, this is super comfortable because it is New Balance at the end of the day. However, it's not one of their most comfortable shoes. This sneaker for me is definitely going to be one of those ones where you can wear it absolutely anywhere, and that is exactly why they created this. You can wear it at your grandmother's house, or as they can say, you can wear it in Paris. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what we are saying about today's pickup, and I'll see you guys in my next video.